Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to add a PDF to your Mailchimp email. Sharing documents like brochures or guides with your audience is a fantastic way to provide value. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your PDF uploaded and linked, ensuring your subscribers can access it with just one click. It's a straightforward process that enhances your email content significantly. First, let's get your PDF into Mailchimp. Head over to your Content Studio, which is your central hub for all your media files. From there, you'll see an Upload button. Click it, and then choose your PDF document from your computer. Remember to keep your file size manageable, ideally under 10 megabytes, to ensure quick loading times for your recipients. Now, let's link that PDF in your email. Within your email design, you can use a text block or a button block. Type out your call to action, like download our guide, then highlight that text. Click the link icon in the editor, choose File as the link type, and select your recently uploaded PDF. It's that simple to create an accessible download for your audience. Finally, let's talk about best practices. Always give your subscribers clear instructions on what they're downloading and how to access it. Before hitting send, make sure to test your email campaign. Click the PDF link yourself to confirm it opens correctly. A descriptive file name for your PDF also helps with organization and clarity for your recipients. These steps ensure a smooth experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.